Hello, Piano Marvel community. We are excited to announce the Piano Marvel YouTube Challenge winners for this year.
Okay, and one of my favorite parts of this YouTube competition is if I go to YouTube and type in our daughter's name, Miley Garner, and Piano Marvel competition, check out what we see. It's a list of the years that she has done this, and we can see her growth from when she was younger. And we just scroll down, look how cute she is. Way back when in 2013, and who she's been playing with. And we even found that another girl performed one of Miley's pieces that she wrote.
For
Super
this
special.
competition. Yeah, pretty cool.
Really cool. Let's go ahead and announce the winners.
All right, I have one announcement that we need to make first. We had a lot of ensembles that were entered into the solo categories, and we're unable to accept them as solo entrants. So we've created a different ensemble group so that we also don't mess up the original ensemble entries.
So this is the one that actually won. You can see this was an ensemble instead of a solo.
Yeah, so those need to be entered hopefully next year in the ensemble group rather than in our solo categories.
And the winner of that was Elise Royal
Ramirez.
And she gets $50.
Congratulations.
Good job. Now the winner of the early elementary one is Harrison Skyke
with 133 votes.
Very
Congratulations.
good. And that's a $50 prize.
Yeah.
The late elementary is also a $50 prize. It goes to
Natalie Duckel with 148 votes.
Now the middle school drawing is $75, which goes to?
It has to go to our number 2 because number 1 was an ensemble group. So it goes to Paul Verescusi.
I'm not sure how to pronounce that.
And he gets, $75.
And then the $100 for our high school winner, Eamon McIntyre.
Congratulations, 172 votes. Awesome.
Now an adult. This is fun for adults. I don't know how to pronounce this.
I think Radis Krinbergs is our number 1 entry for the adults. Got 90 votes. Congratulations, and he gets $100.
Now our ensemble for this group was by, this was Chelsea Ryan George.
Playing Jingle Bells, accompanied by James Pierpont and arranged by Tracy Craig. But we also have another accompanist in there because there are 3 of them.
Right,
so, but they won the ensemble category with 66 votes.
And the last one is the composition category. Noah Emilio wins $100 for this category.
Yep,
Congratulations.
votes.
Now this was a little different because we didn't actually grade these or judge these by performance or quality or anything. It was all purely on popularity,
on votes, and
how many votes you could get.
Yeah, and whether or not they let their family and friends know about it and vote for them. And then also our Piano Marvel community voted. So it's a little bit different this year, but we have so many videos now that we can't possibly judge them all.
Yeah. So now just keep doing this from year to year so that you build your little list of songs from year to year. It's great to see the growth, and it's I think it's a great thing for everybody. So congratulations, and congratulations to all the winners too.
Yes, we hope to see you back again next year.
Okay, bye.
Bye.